Fear limits you and your true potential. I grow in chaos. The lessons I've learned in the water help me grow outside of it. We constantly push our abilities. To feel and harness that power is a feeling like nothing else. Getting the most out of my equipment is key. Shaping and designing the ultimate board is a passion. Crafting each one is a process that blends design, performance, and practicality. As big wave surfers, we put ourselves in some of the most dangerous situations on the planet. I've had some close calls and accidents. The bigger the waves, the more you risk. The process, the preparation, the day, and the moment, when everything comes together, makes it all worthwhile. I don't think there's any greater feeling than surfing. It's freedom, adventure, and creativity all rolled into one. My name is Grant Baker. Wherever the ocean rises, I will ride it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our new generation I30 Wagon. And frankly, for me, it's the most beautiful wagon in its class. It has a timeless design with dynamic proportions, with the long bonnet, the tapering roofline, and the low belt line. And the I30 Wagon offers all the space and practicality customers need today, with a trunk capacity of up to 1,650 liters. And we are offering best-in-class standard safety package, including autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assistant, and driver's attention alert. And of course, the I30 Wagon has the latest connectivity features, like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and our unique lifetime map care. Customers can choose from a range of new dynamic turbocharged gasoline engines, and the family will grow further this year with two exciting members. Hyundai Motors' first high-performance N version, the I30N, and also this year you will see the I30 Fastback. A unique and truly eye-catching car completes the I30 family. Another very important element in becoming #1 Asian car brand in Europe is our e-mobility strategy. Here in Geneva, we present the third version of our award-winning Ioniq family, the plug-in hybrid. And Hyundai is a pioneer and global leader in fuel cell technology, selling more cars in Europe than all other brands combined. And there is more to come. Today, we introduce our next step in fuel cell technology. To explain further, please welcome on stage Vice Chairman Ung Chal-yang. Thank you. Welcome and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In Europe, we want to become #1 Asian automotive brand by 2021. Our key pillar will be our products. And until 2021, we are going to launch 30 new products and derivatives in Europe. Coming to the fundament of our product lineup, the new generation I30. We call the I30 new people's car. To cater for everyone's need, the I30 will become a family of 4 models. And now we are happy to reveal the next member of the family to you. It has a timeless design with dynamic proportions, with the long bonnet, the tapering roofline, and the low belt line. And the family will grow further this year with 2 exciting members. Hyundai Motors' first high-performance N version, the I30N, and also this year you will see the I30 Fastback. Another very important element in becoming #1 Asian car brand in Europe is our e-mobility strategy. Today we introduce our next step in fuel cell technology.
Today, as a pioneer of fuel cell technology, we are very proud to introduce the Hyundai FE fuel cell concept. Our new concept car is more than simply beautiful. We have designed the car to run the longest distance ever achieved by a fuel cell vehicle. This extensive range capability of more than 800 kilometers is achieved despite its SUV body type. Elements of this car will influence the fuel cell SUV that will launch early next year. Hyundai Motor will continue to strive for better, engineering a future that is cleaner, safer, and crucially, is powered by hydrogen.
So what are the highlights for Hyundai at the show?
Well, we're attracting more and more customers to choose Hyundai cars because we're continuously extending and renewing our product range. In fact, it's the youngest lineup in Europe of any car maker. And here in Geneva, we show for the first time the new generation Hyundai i30 Wagon, which is the newest member for the i30 family. There's more to come for i30 this year. And we also have the Ioniq plug-in, which brings now 3 different electrified powertrain choices for customers choosing Ioniq. It's a unique approach, but it means we have something for everyone, depending on their needs. And we also bring the fuel cell concept for the first time, called the FE fuel cell concept. And this is showing our pioneering approach with fuel cell technology, and it demonstrates what we are doing for hydrogen development. This car has a driving range of something like 800 kilometers, which is more than any other car, fuel cell vehicle on sale right now. And it previews a new model which will join our lineup next year, so on sale in 2018. In fact, we have something like 14 new eco cars coming by 2020, which is an ambitious strategy, but it shows our commitment to bringing more zero and low emission cars to more people, making it accessible for everybody.
About self-driving cars and future mobility, what's new from Hyundai? What can you tell about it?
Well, here in Geneva, we're showing our autonomous Ioniq. This car drives at level 4, which means in industry terms, no driver attention is needed, which really makes it a big step forward. It's something we're testing continuously, even on public roads, and lots of journalists drove this car during the Consumer Electronics Show earlier this year. We'll continue testing, and we'll be ready to launch it when the time is right. And on the subject of future mobility, we also have something else interesting and forward-looking, which is our wearable robotics. These are designed to make life easier for people with impaired mobility, but also they make repetitive tasks easier to do. So climbing, lifting, even walking are made easier by these exoskeleton supports, and they're all part of our commitment to social responsibility.
Can you give us an update on Hyundai Motors' performance in Europe?
Of course. In 1977, we started with just 300 units annually. And last year, we sold over 505,000 units, a new record. And furthermore, in the last 9 years, we were growing 90%. So this is a massive step forward to become Asian car brand #1 by 2021.
What is the foundation of this success?
The foundation in Europe of our success is that we localized. We localized the design. We are designing and we are developing and producing in Europe. That means 90% of all vehicles sold in Europe are produced, designed and developed here in Europe. And this gives us a great opportunity to have a customized product range for the European customers.
What are the latest of those success models?
We have only success models, but the latest are Tucson with our C-SUV. We had a fantastic success. We sold more than 154,000 units last year, and we stepped into number 3 in European market in the C-SUV segment. Secondly, we launched the first 2 vehicles of our Ioniq, the first and only model with 3 electrified powertrains. And thirdly, and for us extremely important also, it's our DNA car, the new I30, where we could launch the 5-door version, and here in Geneva we will have the next family member.
What new products can we expect from Hyundai Motors in 2017?
2017 is a fantastic year. That's the starting point of our growth to become Asian brand number 1 in Europe by 2021. We will have, first of all, our I30 family, where we have the 5-door already, the Wagon launching here in Geneva, and then comes over the year the N, and at the end of the year the Fastback. We will have our fantastic Ioniq, and really strong model will come in the mid of the year, our fantastic B-SUV, which comes into a segment which is tremendous growing currently. So we'll have a fantastic and great year 2017.